Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Migarima and today we're going to be learning how to make a double crochet because I've taught you how to make single crochet, chains and also half double crochet in my past videos. So in the series of learn crochet from scratch, today it's the turn for a double crochet. And yeah, for the materials we're going to be using 4-ply yarn of any color that you use. I'm going to be using a white one, and you can use any hook that you have available. I'm going to be using a 4mm hook, and that's about it for this video for the materials because this is just learning. And a friendly reminder not to rush it and don't get panicked because you did not get it right, because learning is always slow. So, and I kindly request you to subscribe to my channel and also hit the bell icon and follow me on socials. I have linked the description. Link the link in the description. And with that, let's get started. So I advise you to make 30 chains. If you do not know how to make 30 chains, I request you to go watch my first video where I've taught how to make chains, and I've also taught you how to make, like, how to keep your yarn in your hand and everything. So I advise you to watch it. So for that, please have 30 chains on your hook, or 30 chains for you. And now we're going to be learning how to make double crochet, right? So firstly, you're going to yarn over, okay? And from the in the second of the chain, you're going to insert your hook, right? And you're going to pull it out, okay? Now you have, let me adjust it so you can see better. Okay, all right. So, so 3 loops on the hook, and you're going to yarn over and pull through 2. Alright, pull through 2, and the rest of the 2 also you're going to yarn over and pull through. So you have 1 loop on the hook. Don't worry if you did not get it right, we're going to learn again. Okay, so yarn over, and since we put it in this one, right, this one, if you can see the double crochet is coming out of here, we're going to put it in the next one. Okay, so this one, and you're going to yarn over, hold it, and insert, pull it out, and you have 3 loops on the hook again, and yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. So here we have 2 double crochet, and we know the crochet is coming out of this, so yarn over, hold the yarn over so it doesn't slip out, and on the third stitch, going to insert, put it in, pull it out, 3 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Again, yarn over, put it in, pull it out, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Alright, yarn over. Okay, you can see the stitches coming out of this one, right? So on the next one, again, put it in, pull it out, yarn over, put it in, pull it out, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2. Yarn over, hold it, put it inside the next stitch, pull the yarn out. Alright, I have 2 or 3, and 2, 2, and more, and more. Okay, I've already taught you how to hold the chain, I've already taught you how to hold the yarn, so I'm not going to be focusing on that a lot here. just on this stitch. So pull through two, pull through two. Okay, yarn over, pull through, pull it out, pull through two, pull through two. Yarn over, put it in, pull it out, yarn over, pull through two, yarn over, pull through two. You're going to do this all the way across here. I'm going to be doing it on camera, but it's going to be sped up. So, hold on. So by the end, you're going to finish the last stitch, right? You're going to see this a little loose, so you're going to pull it up. And in the last one, you're going to snip the yarn, alright? And from this loop, from the loop, you're going to pull the loop, alright? And we pulled it, and now we have a whole 30 double crochet. This is just for learning. This cannot particularly be used for any project for now. And so this is the double crochet that we learned. I hope you learned something from this video, and if you did, please give it a thumbs up and also drop down suggestions and things that I need to change in my videos so you could learn better. And I sure had a great time teaching you guys how to crochet, so I'll meet you in the next video, and please make sure to drop in the comments what you did not understand, and I'll try to reach out to all of you. Thank you. Bye bye.